Here we are in Nome, Alaska, and it is September the 1st, and day number 2. We've launched the AquaDam. It's not in the right location, but they've changed the program. 16-foot dam. They're going to put in a boat ramp over here, and this is a very challenging job because they have to marry up to all this stuff over there, and it's that's very tough to do, and then be watertight. But that's what they're proposing. AquaDam is not proposing this. The company that bought the dam is proposing this and changing from what it was originally called for here. So it is what it is. The big crane is setting sandbags against the wall over there where the boat is. Very time consuming to place sandbags. Finally, they've got it in the water. The crane is loose from the bag. He's raising the boom. And now he's going to swing that around, I guess, my direction, so I'm going to move. Each sandbag has a rope tied to it with a float so they can retrieve it later. Finally got one pump going. I don't know if you can make this out right here, but it's the end of the hose shooting the water straight up and thus lifting up the top of not the AquaDam. That's just the fill tubes. The AquaDam starts below that. Uh-oh, something happened. Oh, they pulled up the suction hose. Anyway, that's where we're headed, is right over there. We're going to make a big turn. We're going to come right over to the side of the Seahawk and make a turn. You go right down the side of the barge. We're going to put another AquaDam in. So this one here that I'm standing on and we're putting in will run up onto it. Now you got to get off or you're gonna get wet. With that barge coming in, sure made the dam go this way, but it's going to go back, I hope. Or, oh, it's a perfect location.